đâu đi là cái này là cả một đây là cả một đây là cả một chữ nữa để ăn ok cả một oh wait lắc từ vườn oh wait ăn cả một thôi à Ece mine lo questa, non per forza seguì. Algo ahí là, algo ahí. Bao nhiêu con Maria hilang, hilang. Awe juga beda. Ini kok jadi mana? Aku. So high, I can't find in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Padahal mo tingnan camera. Camera. Long ago, it was the boy named Patu Patu. And one day, he went out into the forest to find some birds. And when he got to the forest, he saw something moving in the bushes. And he looked over. It was something scary. It was the bird woman, Kurungai Tuku. She had sharp lips, feathers on her arms, and claws for fingernails. And she made a terrible sound. And she chased Patu Patu. And Patu Patu fell over. And she caught him and locked him up in her cradle. All she would give him to eat was raw meat. But Patu Patu didn't like raw meat. So one day when he thought he was gone, he snuck out and he escaped and he ran. But she was there again and she chased him all the way to Patu Patu Rock, where he said the magic words. Matiti matata, and the rock opened up and closed, and Patu Patu was safe inside. The bird woman scratched at the rock, but she couldn't get in. Patu Patu was safe inside. Now, when she thought the bird woman had gone away and snuck out again, but she was there again, and she chased him all the way to Rotorua in the hot bubbling water, where Patu Patu jumped over, but the bird woman fell in the water and was all bubbled up. That was the end of the book.
Đang đây là nôn. Vượt cả